Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we start off a video with a new lens, so let us know what you think about it down below. In today's video, we will be repairing / replacing the GM5 module in my BMW e46. Before I get started with today's video, give this video a huge thumbs up, consider subscribing, and check out all of our links down below, including EM Performance, where we probably will start offering GM5 repair services. Today I'll just be replacing it and showing you guys how to go through, replace it, and code it. Need one very quickly, don't have time to repair it, but that is something that we will most likely be doing in the future, so check out the website to see if we offer that in the future. And hey, maybe I'll even make a video about how to repair your GM5. But in today's video, we will be installing a good used unit. So let's start off with the reasons why you may need to replace your GM5 or your General Module 5 on your BMW e46. Starting off, my car, I'll tell you like what I'm personally experiencing, and then maybe we'll talk about some of the other things. So first of all, my lights, interior lights, are not really working. They're kind of just flickering. So that's one reason why you may have some GM5 issues. Another is central locking. My central locking does not work. My alarm, I believe I have a weird alarm sound. Sometimes my alarm will sound perfectly fine, and other times when I lock it, it will sound very strange, a very strange sound that I've never heard before until this issue started occurring on the BMW. Another thing, my windows sometimes don't go up and down. So this is really the main module of the car. It's, as I mentioned, General Module 5. Your K-bus comes through here, and all other sorts of bus communication lines come through this module, and it's responsible for things like the mirrors. It's responsible for all your lighting. I believe it's also responsible for your windshield wipers as well. So if you're having weird windshield wiper issues, or if you're having trunk issues where the trunk button's not working, windows going up and down like I'm having, alarm, anything like that, it's most likely a GM5 issue. Those are the major ones that I touched upon. If I'm forgetting any, please drop them in the comments below. These are all just ones that I'm pulling off my head. But yeah, today we're going to replace it and code it. This is a General Module High. You have to check out what you need for your car, or if you just want to send it off to get repaired. Like I said, we'll probably be doing that in the future. I know how to do it. Again, I didn't have time. I have to use this car for this weekend for something, so I really wanted to just throw in a new one, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to make a video for you guys. Okay, to gain access to the General Module 5 that's installed in the car, it's actually behind the glove box. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by emptying out your glove box and coming down here, and there's a few screws. If you look right here, 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws. We're going to pull those out, and the bottom tray as well, to get access to behind the glove box. One thing I always forget with the glove box on the e46 is there is a screw right behind the strap right here, and right under this little hydraulic lever that allows the glove box to drop down slowly. It's hard to see, but there is 2 screws, so 1 on each side. Just remember that before pulling out the glove box, and the glove box drops down just like that. Mine came out super easy because it's been out before, but once it's out, we're going to take out, there's a light right here that we can remove, and back here there's the a connector for your flashlight if your e46 still has it. So that kind of runs around the back, and that's right there. Easy. So we'll grab that out now. So with the glove box out, you have clear access to the GM5. That is it, that white box. We have a few connectors. 1, 2, 3. 2 of them look like they're the style where you push in and pull up the lever. This one looks like you got to grab it from the side and yank it that way. So let's undo those. I have some other aftermarket garbage, as I like to say. This is for my dash cam, and I believe this is for my PDC. I don't know why I left the wires so long, but that was dumb me back then. Still not the smartest, but you know, we're gonna get the GM5 out, and yeah, in perfect time right here, you also have access to your fuse panel. This is your fuse panel right here that drops down if you ever need to gain access to it. But you can get that without removing the glove box. But for now, this is what we're gonna remove. So of course, BMW does not make this easy. Here is the GM5, and you can see it's hitting against that bracket, that metal bracket. So what we have to do is you have to come down here. Looks like there's an 8 or 10 millimeter bolt holding in this bracket, and there's 2 hanging clips on the top to allow this whole piece to drop down, and then we can gain access to the GM5. Here are the connectors, 1, 2, 2, and 3. Very easy to come out. This I used a little plastic pry tool to wedge in and pull it out. The other one's very, very easy. So let's get that. So I was able to get the bracket halfway out on one side. I'll show you the connector up there. So if you can see right there, that is that little circle piece is the actual bracket that it's stuck in, and it's on a little like circle loop, just kind of like holding it like this. So I was able to pop it out. I have one side popped out, which is enough to be able to get the GM5 in and out. So that is all I am going to do. So let's install the new one. Actually, let me show you the old one and the new one next to each other first. So here's a look at the old one. Here's a look at the new one. Same exact part number. Hopefully it doesn't fail. But yeah, we're gonna go throw it in now. Just like that, GM5 is in, lights flickering. Those are those cheap ass LEDs that I got from a company a very long time ago. I need some good LEDs for this car, if you can recommend any. But we got the GM5 back in, really only needed to do one side, and I was able to get this in and out. This is pissing me off. I wish I had something to fix it, but I do not have something to fix it right now. So that will leave that for another day. Maybe when I replace these terrible lights that are blinking. Oh, finally went out. But yeah, so GM5's in. Interior lights are working, which they weren't working before. Yeah, let's go hook up with NCS Expert and see what we need to code. All right, guys, I'm now going to show you how to code the GM5. We're going to click Load Profile, Factory Coding. We're going to click F1, Start, and then F3, which is Chassis. We're gonna come over here to E46. We're gonna come here and click A, K, and B if you have facelift, EWS if you have pre-facelift. It's gonna load up your VIN. VIN, FA, this is how we're gonna click code to the GM5, so it's gonna get all the parameters from our FA. So we're gonna click back, process ECU, which is F4, GM5, OK, OK again. We're gonna click execute job. It's gonna say coding active, coding ended, and that is it. That is how you code the General Module 5 on an E46. You might notice your keys aren't working, the unlock and lock button. I'm gonna show you how to fix that right now. Next thing is to get in the car with the doors closed, put the key in the ignition, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull it out, and then you're gonna press and hold the unlock button. While holding the unlock button, you're gonna press the lock button 3 times. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then let go of everything, and the locks will cycle. So put the key in the ignition to position 1, turn it quickly 5 times, and then take it back out, press and hold the unlock button, and press the lock button 3 times, and it will pair. And that's it. That's how you pair your key up on the E46. All right, everyone, that is a wrap on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me install a General Module 5 on my BMW e46 330 Ci. It's pretty simple to do. A little tricky to get that bracket off, but other than that, it's super simple. Coding it is super simple, as you saw. So if your GM5 is failing, you're starting to get issues like the windows aren't going down, your turn signals aren't working, you're getting weird alarm issues. My alarm would make this weird chirp sound. Other things like that, key fob's not working. It could be a GM5 issue, so check it out, replace it, and yeah, it's super simple. We probably will be repairing GM5s in the future. It's honestly a better service to do because this one's probably gonna fail. While this GM5 was only 30 bucks on eBay, I don't know, maybe I'll try repairing it, and you'll see that on EM Performance, and you can message me on Instagram if you're looking to have your GM5 repaired in the near future. We'll have that service ready for you guys. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Check out all the links down below, including how to install IMPA and NCS Expert. I'll have that linked, and how to use it if you guys need help, or if you guys need remote coding, you know where to find us at emperformance.com. We're happy to code this remotely for you if you guys need assistance. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next one.